This is Michelle Goldman with MDFII Week 1. Okay, so we're making essentially a Twitter app where we can see user timeline, has access to our user account on the simulated device, and we can also do a post, see user details, and be able to refresh the timeline. So it was quite a bit of a struggle for me in getting all of this done, and a lot of it does not work. So that you can see. Okay, so could not get the timeline to load into the table view. I'm not quite sure what it is that I'm doing wrong. I've got absolutely no errors, no issues in the code that I can see, but it's not showing up. If I hit refresh, it does run the refresh. I get the alert, but it's actually picking up something that I had set up in a custom table cell in an XIB file. I didn't realize in the transition to the new version you cannot use XIB files, and it was just storyboards. So I can edit, I can delete, which is great. User profile, that's another issue. I tried using the code and replicating based off of the video tutorials and getting that code from the website, from the link in the activity, but it crashes the app every time I get to this screen. So I can click user profile, gets here, and then it crashes. So I just had to comment out the code so that it wouldn't crash right now. The one thing that is working, which actually was relatively easy, was doing the post. So I've got the default image in here, I've got a default text, and I put something. If I put something in and post it, you'll be able to see that it is actually coming up. And there it is. So some of it is working, a lot of it's not working. It was really quite a bit of a struggle for me this week, and I'm just glad that I got as much done as I did. Also, obviously, since I'm not getting the timeline, I can't go to the detail view for each of the cells, but have to get that figured out, since we have to have all that working for next week's project. So I hope everyone did a little bit better than this, and hopefully we'll do better next week.